Hello and welcome. I am really very excited right now because from today we are going to start our Docker journey. Docker is one of the most important tools for DevOps. In this video, I am going to give you overview of Docker. So let's start this. First of all, we need to understand Docker, the company, and Docker, the technology. There is a name of the company. The company name is Docker, and also Docker developed technology, and the name of the technology is also Docker. So I want you to understand these two first, then we will go for the advanced topic. First of all, Docker, the company. The company name is Docker Inc. and they developed the concept of Docker. They call it Docker project. When the company was actually started, the company started as a PaaS, platform as a service provider, but they rebranded company name in the year 2030. And the company name is Docker Inc. The main focus is container technologies. So now, after 2013, when they rebranded the company name to Docker Inc., their main focus is on the container technologies. For container technologies, they develop a product also known as Docker. Okay, so Docker is open source technology that Docker Inc. developed. So the company Docker Inc. developed a concept of Docker. Okay. Now you may have this question that why we are using this particular tool. So let me explain you this. It's designed to make it easier for developer to create, deploy and run application using containers. So if we are talking about Docker as a technology, Docker is used to create, maintain and manage containers. Now you may have this question that what is this container, right? Container packages an application and its dependencies together, making application easily runnable on any system that has Docker installed. Now this is confusing, right? If you are going to read this, you cannot easily understand this, but you don't need to worry. I am with you. Right now, what you need to remember is if you want to create, manage and maintain container, you can use Docker. Okay, that's all. What is container? How it is going to work? I'm going to explain you everything step by step. Okay. Now you may have this particular one question that containerized before Docker. So Docker is the first company who started this concept of containerization. Let's answer this as well. So although the concept of containerization wasn't new, Docker popularized its simpler, more efficient approach. So, the concept of containerization was there, but after 2013, this containerization approach became very popular because of Docker. Previous technologies like Linux containers laid the groundwork, but Docker made container more accessible and easier to use. So whole concept about the Docker is used to manage, maintain and create container. They created this tool, but the main question is what is container? You don't need to worry about this because in upcoming video, I am going to clear your concept about containerization for sure. So this is overview of Docker. In the next video, we will talk about the whole concept of containerization step by step. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.